Mr. Renaudeau, thank you so much for your time today at the K Preview, and we're looking forward to hearing what you have to say today, but we also want to know, what can people expect to see at the K in October?
You can expect to see a lot of robots. We will have 28 robots for the first time at the K Show. So, as you can imagine, it's quite massive. We will be present onto our booth, logically, but also on 10 other booths of molding machine manufacturers.
What would you say is the biggest development concerning robots in the last 3 years since the last K?
I would say if we speak of really Kunststoff industry, so it means the plastics industry, I would say that the biggest innovation for robots is to see hybrid robots. That means to see Cartesian robots with CNC rotations coming from polyarticulated robots. So we call that 5X or 7X robots. And also to see hybrid robots combining the control of the plastics industry that we offer, and also 6-axis robots from Stoibli and Yaskawa. And we call that Sepro Stoibli or Sepro Yaskawa.
You were just telling me about the development of the robots in the plastics industry. Tell me about the industry all in all. What would you say? Where is it headed, and how has it been doing in the last couple of years?
Our industry is really booming. So the good news is that if you are structured globally, there is no problem of growth. Growth is somewhere in the world, and you just have to capture it. And if we speak of one of the major industry that drives plastics industry, and we speak of the automotive, it's globally booming, so wherever in the world. And if you look also at cars, plastics is always more present, just to make cars a bit more, let's say, light, just to afford to have heavy batteries or new options. So I would say we can all be very optimistic about the future.
We were just talking about lightweight plastics. What else, like for example, Industry 4.0 or sustainability is the number one topic in the industry right now?
I think if we speak of Industry 4.0, we speak in fact of industry of the future. I think the main reason why we speak of it is that everyone understood worldwide that it's not a very clever idea not to have any industry in your country. So I think the clever idea is to have an industry in your country. And then, of course, Industry 4.0, the most popular element is, let's say, connectivity, I would say also robotics. So robotics is not, let's say, a new thing, but it belongs absolutely to industry of the future. And I must say that for me, maybe we will see a change in the future. Today, the molding machine is in the center of the focus. Tomorrow, I think robots will be in the center of the focus.
And that's exactly what you're going to be talking about at the K in October. Why is it so important to come to the K in Düsseldorf?
It's very important because this is the only really global show. Of course, MP is very strong. China Plast is also getting stronger. But every 3 years, we come here just to make, let's say, an evaluation of what we have done well for our customers. And, well, we've got to compete also against competitors. So it's a good way to make an assessment.
Well, we look forward to seeing you in Düsseldorf in October again. Thank you so much for your time today, and it was very nice meeting you.
Thank you.